Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft Office for free. So it is very easy. First of all, you need to open a preferred browser. In my case it will Google Chrome, and here in the search bar you need to type simply Office and choose the first link here, Microsoft Copilot. Choose and wait a little bit until the website will load, and here you will need to sign into your Microsoft account or create a new one. As you can see, I'm already signed in, and you will see this type of interface. You will have here document, Word document, PowerPoint presentation, workbook, etc. So I'll go with the Excel file. I'll just simply click on it, and it will open me a blank Excel book. As you can see, here it is, and I can work here and just basically save it if I want, print, export, etc. Basically, that is it. That is how you can get Microsoft Office for free. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.